As you'll see now, the Brew Express is easy to use. That's why we have the motto, Life Made Simple. Everything you need to know to use the Brew Express is right here in the manuals. But right now I'm going to show you how I use the Brew Express. To set the Brew Express clock, it's easy. Basically, you have the off position on the selection button. You set the hour by pushing the button on the hour, the minutes the same. And if you like to program the coffee maker to go off in the morning, you can do that as well, just like an alarm clock. You hit the button program, and then you select the hours. To actually program it for the next morning, once you've programmed that, you can slide it over to auto program. It will flash, and that will be the time that you've selected to have the coffee maker go off. It's easy. To make coffee, take the basket out, put the recommended filter in, and we recommend a bun filter because it's a taller filter. Therefore, if you load extra coffee in there, it won't ever overfill. Loading the coffee. Select how much volume you want. Now, I've just loaded the coffee. We're selecting a full craft, and I'm going to turn it on. It is that simple. The Brew Express is great for making coffee, but you can also have the variable options. You can do a full pot, you can do a half pot, or you can do a single cup. But with making a single cup, we don't recommend using the carafe or the basket that's used for the carafe. We provide you an extra basket for the single cup use. It's simple. You'll take the basket out, the carafe out, put the single cup basket in, and put a mug. Then you'll select 2 cups, which will provide you enough fluid for your single cup use, and turn it on. You can get hot water for tea, hot cocoa, or a single cup of coffee. While it's brewing, a person can easily enjoy their cup of coffee and pour a cup while it's in process. A lot of people like to do that. But when I invented the Brew Express, I thought, what would be a safety thing that I would like to see? And one thing that I always remember is the basket. The basket would overfill if you remove the carafe while it's in process. So what I did is I added the infrared detector. It's a great safety item. And the reason why I say that is because you'll have the ability to enjoy a cup of coffee while it's in process, and if you don't return the pot, it will never overfill the basket. The infrared senses the carafe is missing and shuts off the water supply. Now, if you return it within 5 minutes of the time you pull it out, it will restart. Just like so. Now, as you can see, we're brewing into a thermal carafe. This is a double wall stainless thermal carafe. And the nice thing about it is it'll keep the coffee hot for up to 2 hours. There's no warmer plates, so you're not going to burn any coffee. You're not going to have a hot surface for any children to burn their fingers, and you're not going to waste electricity. The thermal carafe is great because you can take it and put it on any countertop and it won't burn the surface. You can even take it with you to your office. The outlet, you'll find, works all the time except for when you're brewing. The reason why is that way we do not overload the circuitry of the coffee maker. It's got a relay that turns off the outlet, so if you're plugging anything else in, it will not work while the brewer's in motion.
In the manual, there's a troubleshooting section that you may want to reference. The 2 main problems that may occur are first seeing a flashing light that will indicate that the carafe or cup is missing. This is the brewing light indicator. The second common troubleshooting issue is seeing the LED indicating the quadruple E. This flashing signal tells you that the unit is not receiving water pressure. The procedure for troubleshooting water pressure issues are found in your manual.